Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your iPhone, iPad, or even Android device ever gets stuck on recovery mode, frozen on the Apple logo, or just won't boot properly, Tenorshare Reiboot is one of the best tools to fix it. And the good news is, you don't have to pay full price. I've got fresh coupon codes and promo discounts for 2025 that will save you money right now. Stick with me until the end, because I'll share multiple codes so you can pick the one that gives you the biggest discount. Reboot is trusted worldwide for repairing iOS and Android system issues with just one click. No tech skills needed. You can enter and exit recovery mode, fix system crashes, and repair over 150 plus iOS problems without data loss. Whether your phone is stuck, frozen, or running slow, Reiboot can bring it back to life. Here are the codes you can try. Reboot 30, save up to 30% off Reiboot plans, 10 or 20, extra 20% off annual subscriptions. FIX 15, now flat 15% off site-wide. Mobile 25, get 25% off lifetime licenses. Free month or B, enjoy 1 month free on selected subscriptions. Simply click the special link in the description, choose your plan. Apply one of these codes at checkout and watch the price drop instantly. If one code doesn't give you the maximum savings, try another. One of these will definitely work in 2025, so don't wait. Reboot is a lifesaver when your device runs into trouble, and these deals won't last forever. Hit the link in the description, grab your discount, and get your device back to normal today. If this video helped you save money, drop a like, subscribe for more discount codes and tech tips, and let me know in the comments which plan you picked. See you in the next one.